Mr. Kamau ciugo iria aragia ciĩgiĩ mũtumia wake. Arauga atĩrĩrĩ, the day you left my heart broke into two. I wish you could have stayed with me, but heaven needed you. You left me with memories, and I love you dearly. Still, no matter how much time goes by, you know I will always will. You are a very special person with the kindness in your heart and the love we had together. Grow stronger now, we are apart. I know I cannot bring you back, although I wish it every day, but peace of me went with you the day you went away. Hiyo ndio maneno ya mume wake Kamau William Ebeneza. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Wapigeni makofi mazuri. Kuna kama mtu nenda mufia gwetele au nori ndali kana. Muthuri uyu ni akiri igomuri to muno.